I want to show you how I used my Gatsby project to create a test environment. You can see that I've got my test environment here, and it's under this called a static web app from Azure. So it's an Azure Static Web App, and I am running Gatsby and React. I'm by no means a web professional. I'm more of a data engineer, but I've just created this for my own website, for my own blog. And I think this is a very handy tip over here, which is a preview environment. So if you do a pull request in GitHub, then it automatically creates you a preview environment. So you can see that I've got that here. And my GitHub is, I think I've got it on the screen here. So this is, you can see this is my repository. I've got a pull request, and it's built, and it's built the pull request, but at the same time, I did a check on that to make sure that it would build properly. And I do have obviously the GitHub Actions running the building of that. So that's when it ran successfully there. So that's my pull request, CDM 13th of Jan 23. And then because it's built that as a pull request waiting to go, then if you go back to your static web app, then you've got this new environment that you can preview before you merge into your master. So I think that's pretty cool. So if I click on this, it's going to open up my website. I say that it should open my website there, browse. And this is what my website looks like before I merge the changes. So this is a new blog that I've written, how to create a common data model using mapping data flows. Click on that. So then I'll just make sure that everything's good, and then I'll say, okay, that looks good to me. I can merge that into my main, branch. So then I'd go, okay, cool. I think that works nicely. I've checked my environment, and then I can just click on my pull request, and then like merge. Well, okay, confirm merge. I think after that, once your branch is deleted and your pull request is done, then your environment probably, I guess, taken away. But more than likely, your GitHub Actions, because I got the GitHub Actions to set to run again, so you'll see that that's going to run because it's merged into master. Well, interestingly, it's actually running the pull request again. Anyway, this is the master here, so this should run after that, and then successfully pushed it to the main website, which is my rags to riches data. So this is go over here. This is my local development, rags to riches data, and so we'll expect that the new blog to come on top over here in a minute. But I'll start to show you that's how you do a pull request in GitHub, and then it creates an environment for you in your static web apps, in Azure Static Web Apps in your environments, and you can browse there and just make sure everything's cool. So yeah, I thought that was a pretty cool handy trick. Like, comment if you like this.